In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to use YouTube from a Apple Watch. First of all, go to your iPhone and you have to install this WatchTube app from your App Store. So this is a free app. Install the app and then go to your Apple Watch, and in Apple Watch, go to your app library by pressing on this crown, and also in your iPhone you find this WatchTube app. If you don't see it in your app library, then you can easily go to your App Store and download the WatchTube app. Now open the WatchTube app, and here to search for specific YouTube videos to watch, tap on search, tap on enter keyword, car racing game. That's how you can search for specific categories videos. And here we can see the search result. Now all you have to need is just play a video, and this is how we can actually use YouTube from our Apple Watch. And to adjust your video volume, just press this button, and here tap on this volume, and here you can adjust your video volume. Thanks for watching.